Well, hello, Facebook family and friends. It is Antoinette, and I am doing this video because fall is approaching here where I live. Well, fall is approaching everywhere, but here where I live, we get our weather changes like drastically. So last week we were up in the near 90s with humidity at a ridiculous, can't breathe outside, gotta stay inside weather under the AC. And today it says we are at, what is it, 62? But it is a comfortable 62, I would say. So I came out here because I have to evaluate what I'm going to do with my plants and which ones I'm going to give away, which ones I'm going to replant, and I probably won't do that much replanting now. I wanted to get to Miss Ella. Maybe I will next week, within the week. I'm not sure, but of course I'll let you know. But yeah, I'm going to give some of my plants away. I'm going to break this one down and split it between my daughters. And yeah, so I just wanted you to know that fall is approaching. And you know what, but something about the fall, like when you have marigolds and petunias and stuff, they get absolutely beautiful with the changing of the temperature. So I'm gonna see what happens. That's my zinnia and all its weedy friends. But yeah, I'm gonna see what happens, and I just wanted to update you on what's going on the porch garden. Oh yeah, I've got I've got tomatoes on my flowers on my tomato plant, and I don't have any more flowers on my pepper plant, but we'll see what happens. And I do have more flowers over there on my other tomato plant. So yes, everyone, fall is coming. Get ready. We have to get ready. All right, talk to you later. God bless you. Remember to hug someone, tell them you love them, and appreciate the very small things, guys. All right, talk to you soon. Bye bye.